his arm in a fall. This particular probe will be going just below the skin to the side of that bruise so that its crew can study how the damaged cells are repaired.
That's our line.
Bravo 229er, cabin integrity verified. Begin pressurization. Cabin pressurized. I'm switching you to internal power.
Hello again, everyone. We'll be getting underway momentarily.
Bravo 229er, are you ready to initiate launch?
That is affirmative, Control. All systems go.
Begin initial reduction sequence.
Reduction sequence begun. We're now approaching the miniaturization unit. The technicians will focus a particle beam on our ship.
Particle reducer, engage. Roger.
Entry depth set at 200 microns.
Bravo 229er, begin reduction mode now. 3, 2, 1.
Hold on, everybody. Control, this is Bravo 229er. We're under the skin. Everything looks fine.
Roger.
Folks, directly in front of us is a group of white blood cells on their way to destroy the splinter. There it is now. There's a lot of activity out there. Dr. Lair, we're experiencing some turbulence. I advise you to come aboard immediately.
In a minute, Captain. I need to take one more cell count.
Roger, we're standing by.
Gathered a lot of valuable information here. I hope that... Mayday!
Dr. Lair, are you okay?
Mayday! I'm being pulled into a capillary.
Hang on, I'm coming.
Ready for trial.
I'm in the vein. Dr. Lair needs help.
Get on board that ship, Captain.
I'm being pulled!
Ready. Watch your pressure. Your ship could be crushed.
I'm in the Mexico!
Right behind you. That should be good.
Hurry, we're shutting down to half power.
I know, we lost our fuel cell. Bring it out on the next beat.
You're heading for the lungs, Captain. Air current's extremely hazardous.
I have no chance.
Ryan, can you read me? I'm in too long!
I see you.
I'm being attacked by a white blood cell!
I'm gonna use the lenses to try and stun it.
Hurry!
Quick, into the ship.
I'm in!
Control, I've got Dr. Lair.
Ready. You've used too much power. You can't beam out.
We need an energy boost.
The brain. It works on electrical impulse.
How do we get there?
Through that capillary.
You're tracking into the heart again.
It's our only choice.
Current is too strong. The rudders won't respond.
The heart's left atrium.
Ready your power. You've increased 5%. 5%.
I'm gonna use the heartbeat to propel us. Ready? Now!
Turn! Take a right! Here are the cerebral artery. It's taking us to the brain. We're just above the brain in his spinal fluid.
Your power is down to 2%. If you can get power, I can beat you out of there.
We're gonna need some electricity fast.
We're gonna have to cross the blood-brain barrier. Can you get us inside?
Here we go.
The cerebral cortex. We're inside the brain.
Deploy the fuel cell shield and hope it works like a lightning rod.
Fred, your power is gone. We can't get you out. Repeat, your power is gone.
This neuron better fire.
Get the shield.
You have power. We did it. We're beaming you out.
Do you realize what we must be?
I'll tell you what you did. You broke every regulation in the book.
Control, we just first to go through the heart, lungs, and brain.
You also managed to pull off the most spectacular mission this place has ever seen. Congratulations.
Thank you, controls. Folks, you can unlatch your safety belt by pushing the button on your left. Please exit the ship to your right. Don't forget your personal belongings. And welcome home.